Hello everyone, and welcome to our podcast. Today we have a very relevant piece of news from the world of technology and finance. IQSTEL Inc., a US-based multinational technology company, has announced a significant milestone in its journey.
That's right. As of today, May 14, 2025, IQSTEL has officially begun trading on the NASDAQ capital market under the ticker symbol IQST. This step marks the beginning of a new era for the company, transforming from a telecom operator into a scalable, high-tech global enterprise with a clear vision for growth.
This achievement is no small feat. It's the result of years of hard work and a long-term vision shared by everyone involved in the company, from shareholders and investors to employees and partners.
Indeed, IQSTEL's capital markets journey began in 2018 with $13.8 million in revenue. Today, they forecast $340 million in revenue for 2025 and have a long-term vision to reach $1 billion in annual revenue by 2027, demonstrating consistent execution and strong scalability.
And as Leandro Iglesias, CEO of IQSTEL, mentioned, their business model is highly scalable. This means they can grow revenue significantly without proportionally increasing their operating expenses, which has a direct impact on EBITDA and profitability.
The NASDAQ listing brings immediate and long-term strategic advantages. Firstly, it expands IQSTEL's visibility among institutional and international investors, many of whom were previously restricted from investing in OTC-listed or sub-$3 stocks. This strengthens brand credibility and investor trust on a globally recognized platform.
Furthermore, it enhances commercial trust. Operating in over 20 countries, IQSTEL maintains thousands of B2B relationships, and now their partners can easily invest through mainstream brokerage channels.
Large enterprise customers and vendors often prefer working with listed partners. With the NASDAQ listing, IQSTEL expects to see increased transaction volumes and stronger partnerships. Their organic growth in 2024 reached nearly $100 million, and this pace is expected to accelerate with the new visibility.
Also interesting is the aspect of international retail demand. Previously, UK-based trading platforms allowed retail investors abroad to purchase IQSTEL shares, driving high demand. When OTC stocks were later restricted, this interest was sidelined. Now, as a NASDAQ-listed stock, IQSTEL is once again accessible to global retail markets.
Looking at the valuation, IQSTEL currently trades at only 10% of its 2024 revenue, $283 million in 2024, representing a PS ratio of 0.10x. In contrast, comparable NASDAQ-listed telecom and tech firms often trade at 1.0x revenue or higher, even if they are not profitable. With a tight float of under 3 million shares, this presents a clear opportunity for significant valuation uplift.
Another key point is the scalability and profitability of their operations. IQSTEL's platform is designed to scale without proportionally increasing costs. Their telecom division is already profitable, generating both positive adjusted EBITDA and net income, validating their operational model.
The NASDAQ listing also provides strategic flexibility in M&A and capital markets. They now have access to growth capital on better terms and can use their publicly traded stock as currency for M&A deals, creating new opportunities to acquire EBITDA positive businesses aligned with their roadmap.
It's important to note that the NASDAQ uplisting was executed through a direct listing, meaning no capital raise and no dilution to current shareholders. The company's only convertible instruments are held by one long-term investor, with maturity dates set for Q1 2026, eliminating short-term selling pressure.
Regarding the strategic evolution, IQSTEL, which is an international telecommunications service provider, is executing a transformation into a high-tech global corporation. They are focusing on high-tech telecom services, Fintech solutions, AI services, and cybersecurity solutions.
The first step in this transition is the rollout of IQSTEL's white label eSIM and roaming connectivity platform, which enables enterprises and mobile operators to rapidly launch their own branded offerings.
These services are built on IQSTEL's deeply integrated business platform, which handles hundreds of millions of dollars in telecom transactions annually, creating a powerful base for recurring high-margin growth and long-term value creation.
In summary, IQSTEL's NASDAQ listing is more than just a milestone. It's the beginning of a new era. With a proven ability to grow organically and through acquisitions and operations in more than 20 countries, IQSTEL is well positioned to scale into a $1 billion revenue corporation by 2027.
To quote CEO Leandro Iglesias again, this moment belongs to every shareholder who believed in us from the beginning. We've built something powerful. And now, as a NASDAQ-listed company, we're ready to show the world what IQSTEL can really become.
That's right. IQSTEL is a multinational technology company offering cutting-edge solutions in telecom, fintech, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity. It operates in 21 countries and projects $340 million in revenue for FY 2025, building on its strong business platform.
Definitely a development to watch closely in the tech and financial sectors. Thank you for joining us today.